Hello Kagan, hello necvox group. Here is Antoine Verag. I'm just near the Renault Zoe 1 million kilometer, and we are facing issue to solve the installation of the multimedia system. We have received the necvox multimedia system that we have tried to install inside the car. I'm going to show you what are the actual, in fact it's not installed at all. Previously we were having one device, one screen, and one DIN multimedia one DIN multimedia device. This device was located just above the glove box. Here you can see the kind of connector we do have. So there is two kind of connector. There is two white one, and there is also two connector like this. Those were plugged here on this device. There is no indication of the kind of information that was gained on those connectors. Here, concerning now the screen. On the screen, here are the kind of connector that we were having. There is many different connector. I'm going to try to show them all. So near the screen you can see this one, the blue one, and a black one. We also have connectors, but much more seeming to be addressed to the climatization, to the air conditioner system, and okay. So I hope that you will be able to help us to solve our issue. Thanks a lot.